Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, this is Khalid. Thanks ever so much to each and everyone that come back and watch our videos to learn and grow with us. Well, today I want to talk about very much important topic, and that is the secret of learning English. Well, many people want to learn English. Some of them buy boring grammar books. Some of them join expensive language institute, and some of them keep waiting for the miracle to happen. But still, after years, they struggle to speak confidently. Why is that? Because they don't know the secret of learning English. Today I want to share with you the truth, the secret of learning English. Well, let me start by breaking some myths so that we can understand the secret in a proper manner. Myth number 1. You don't need to memorize thousands of the words in one go. Slowly and gradually you build your vocabulary range, and the day will come you will enjoy playing with the words. Myth number 2, you don't need perfect grammar before you start speaking. First, you need to start with small and simple sentences, then the day will come. You will be able to use complex structures and enjoy your speaking. The myth number 3, there is no shortcut, no magical formula that will make you fluent in one day. It's a process and it takes time. So, the truth is simple. English is not a subject to be passed. It is a language and a skill to be practiced. Just like swimming, dancing, driving, and playing cricket. The more you do, the better you perform. So what is the secret? Let's talk about it step by step so that we can understand what the secret is. Secret number 1, the actual sense of grammar in English. Many people who are learning English as a second language without the full environment. Sometimes you do not understand the fact that in starting you don't need to be perfect. Don't try to sound like a poet or philosopher from the day one. Start with very simple sentences and do not put a lot of effort to be fluent. Fluency will come ultimately in the end, but not in starting. So you gotta be patient. Secret number 2, listen more than you speak. Many people make this terrible mistake. As you want to improve speaking, so you just focus and try to speak a lot, but listen very less. Do you know how the children learn a language? First, they listen for many months before they even say a single word. The more you listen through films, songs, podcasts, or daily conversations, the more natural your speaking will become. At least listen or watch something for 1 hour daily. If you can't do it in 1 hour together, you can divide in 4 parts, 15 minutes each. Remember one thing, if you want to improve speaking, you gotta listen a lot. The more you listen, the better speaking style you have. Secret number 3, surround yourself with English. Make English the part of your lifestyle, not just like a classroom subject. Surround yourself with English, see where you can use English. It could be your school, college, university, office, or your friend circle. Remember, you have to spend as much as time you can. As they say, the more the sweet, the more the reward. Secret number 4, never fear mistakes. If you are making mistake, it is the proof that you are trying and improving your English. Every time you speak wrong, you are actually one step closer to speaking right. Remember, fluency comes before accuracy. Speak first, correct later. Whosoever you see today speaking effortlessly, actually he or she must have spent a lot of time to get this fluency. And fifth and the last secret is that practice with passion, enjoy your process. Watch what you love, read what interests you, and speak with people who encourage you. When you love learning, you never feel tired. Always remember, English is not about intelligence, it's about habit. A native child takes years to speak fluently, and you expect yourself to do it in a few days. Be patient with yourself. Step by step, day by day, you will improve. The only real difference between a fluent speaker and a struggling learner is that the fluent one did not give up. So here's the truth. The secret of learning is not a hidden formula. It's practice, patience, and patience. So don't wait for the perfect day. Start from today and start making simple and small sentences to improve your English. And very soon the day will come. You will be speaking effortlessly everything in English.